Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The title Mercedes-Benz Caravan Motorhome 2026 is somewhat general and may be used to describe a number of types that are constructed on Mercedes-Benz chassis. The manufacturer of the body and the model determine whether the form is aerodynamic or boxy. The design will probably be updated in comparison to earlier models. The recognizable Mercedes-Benz star insignia will probably be on it. Different versions may have different grille designs. With a contemporary look and perhaps daytime running lights DRL, the headlights and taillights will most likely employ LED technology. Large side windows, frequently with well-integrated frames, provide vistas and natural light. Some models could have awning or sliding windows. Electric stairs make getting in and out simple. The living room may be easily accessed through wide sliding side doors. Depending on the interior design and storage requirements, the rear door may be a double door or a bigger single door. Side awnings that retract to provide shade outside. Rack for bikes installed somewhere on the outside or on the back. Roof can have extra storage spaces, skylights, or solar panels installed. Service door trunk to gain access to gas, water power, and exterior storage spaces. Wheels made of steel or alloy that complement the motorhome style. Comfortable seating, frequently featuring front passenger and driver swivel chairs, and a couch that can be turned into a bed power sofa bed with memory foam. Cabinets, drawers, and storage beneath the bed or couch are just a few of the many incorporated storage spaces throughout the room. Includes a refrigerator, freezer, microwave, convection, air fryer combo, sink with pull-out faucet, and 2-burner induction cooktop. Certain variants could come with a gas oven that doubles as a grill. To maximize space, use a Murphy bed or a fixed bed, double or single. A pop-up roof bed or high-top bed could be an extra option for certain models. A large display, perhaps 10.5 inches or more, with Bluetooth, navigation, smartphone integration, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and perhaps Sirius. A high-end sound system and LED TV, maybe with a pull-out system, and internet access either through Mercedes-Me Connect or another method. Numerous motorhome functions may be monitored and controlled using a centralized control system, such as Firefly integrations. Mobile apps like the HYME or Connect app may be integrated with some models. Additional features for convenience: USB Type-C port, heat pump-equipped air conditioner, water and diesel room heater, rain sensor-equipped roof ventilation, and privacy blinds or window coverings.